it's going to get you in trouble, right? He didn't have to do with us. No. I'm going to break it down for you. Okay. I'm glad you asked. Jeremiah chapter 29, verse 1 through 20. Now these are the words of the letter that Jeremiah the prophet sent from Jerusalem unto the residue of the elders, which were carried away. Who did he send this to? The residue of the elders. Who did he send this writings to? The residue of the elders.